Hello guys, welcome to the another video from the Best Maths Academy. In this video I'm going to discuss how you can get grade 4 or 5 in maths GCSE exam. So you can see here I got the grade boundary from the EDEXCEL website. So in here you can see to get grade 4, so you need to get 184 marks. So 184 marks, and to get grade 4 you need to get 149 marks in all three maths paper, 1F, 2F and 3F. So what this means for grade 4 and for grade 5, so I'm going to show you this as well. Here we go. So to grade 4 is a standard pass. So if you want to pass, so you need to get grade 4, and grade 5 is a strong pass. Means if you get grade 4, if you're okay, you pass and you can get admission in a college and in uni as well. But if you don't get grade 4, you have this a law in UK now, so it means you have to get grade 4 to carry on your education. So you will get admission in the college, but you have to sit in the exam again to pass your GCSE English and Maths. So if you get grade 4 is pass, you're going to be okay, and grade 5 is going to be strong pass. And if you want to get good admission in good uni, so you have to get grade 5. So just I'm talking about the foundation. If you do the higher, you can get more than grade 5 as well. So a lot of students confuse, so when they do foundation, because they are in the bottom set and they can't do maths, that's why they are doing foundation. So they get panic when they get the exam. But in this video I'm going to show you some exam paper as well. So this paper is 2018 November 1 EDEXCEL. So in this paper you can see how easy to get 50 marks. So if you look at, so means to pass only, so we have to get 149 marks, so which is about 50 marks in each paper. But if you're not getting 50 marks in paper 1, which is non-calculator, if you get 40 marks. But if you get in paper 2 and 3, if you can get more than 60 marks, because this is the calculator paper and it's going to be could be easy for you as well. So here I'm going to show you paper 1 in this video. So you can see here, so the first questions, this is the decimals you have to put into the order, and you learn this in year 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So means you do this again and again and again, and you know how to do this question. Second question is the percentage. You know this from primary school. So this is 1 marks and this is 1 marks. So I can tell you, if you do only 20 questions of each paper, if you get right, you can get grade 4. But some question, the last like 5 questions, some questions very hard, but some question is easy as well, so you can get that question right as well. So I'm going to show you now. Question 3 is the factors as well. You done this in primary school. So number 4, you have to put into the nearest thousand. So this question is not hard. So this is you can do with the help of bid mass, and this is B part is 2 to power 3. You can do this easily as well. So C, this again is bid mass. So number 6, if you read when you get the word problem, so you need to have a highlighter. So highlight the highlight some like which is important, and then try to solve the questions. So this question is you learn in primary school as well. It's not hard. It's 3 marks. And this 8, this question you learn in primary school as well. So number 9, this is substitution. This is easy question, not hard. So this is the questions is easy as well. You learn in year 7, 8. So I'm not saying this hard. Look, up to 10 question 10. So all the question is easy. It's not hard. Just need to be focused. Don't be panic. Just try to do the question first, which you can do it, which is easy. So you can start from question 1, but first 2-3 minutes just look at the paper. So the question you can do easily. First you try to do that question. So number 11 is easy, is a primary school question as well. The fraction again is easy as well. So number 12, so this graph questions. This is a little bit tricky for foundation student, but if you read the question properly, so you can do this question as well. This is 3 marks. So number 13 is 2 marks questions. This question is about score, and if you read this question properly, you can do this as well, I'm sure. Okay, so number 14, this is the angle question. So this question you need to learn little bit trick. You need to do practice, then you'll be fine. And this question is how many marks? It's 4 marks, look. And 15 question is about a milliliter. You need to know about milliliters. And this question is 4 marks. Look, if you do this question and that question is 8 marks, and this question is not hard. So this is kind of a big max question as well, is 1 marks, easy one. So look, we reach up to 17, and you don't need to be panic. So all the questions is kind of primary school question. This question is easy as well. So if you learn this in class, you can do this question easily. You can learn this in 10 minutes. If you give 10 minutes on this question, then you can do this question as well. And this question always come in the exam. And look, 5 marks this question. Look how many marks you're earning. So 18, this is a comparison. You have to compare the money. So this is a common sense question as well. You can do this without calculator. It's a paper 1. And the 4 marks. Look, and number 9, this is rotation. You learn in this in primary school as well. And this is indices, 2 marks. And this is again substitution. Look, we reach up to 21 marks. So I can't see any hard questions. So this is making subject. It's a little bit tricky, but if you learn, it's going to be easy for you. This question is word problem. Now I can see it's a hard question. How many marks? This question is 5 marks. But don't be panicked. Try to attempt some part. If you do some part, you could get 2 marks, 3 marks. If you get that working out is right. So try to do some working out. Try to read the questions and do some, like he's asking for 40%. If you can find 40% of this amount, so you can get some marks. So it's about percentage. Number 23, sorry. This question is 3 marks. It looks hard as well. It's easy. 24. This is about speed, distance questions, and this is 4 marks as well. 25 is simultaneous equations. So you learn this in year 8 and 9. So if you can't do this whole question, try to do part of these questions. Means we have to make the same denominator, so same coefficient. This is 5, you have to make 5 here as well. Then I will show you another video how you can do this question. So that's this. So last 5-6 question is from the higher paper. So if you're doing foundation, so make sure you should know that last 5-6 questions is going to be from the higher paper. So this question is from higher. It's hard, but you can leave this question is 4 marks. 27. This is probability 3-1. So you can do this question as well, because it's not hard, it's easy. It's take about 10-15 minutes to learn the method of this question. And this question is about the polygon. I hope so you learn this as well. So this is the end of the paper now, 28 marks. So you can tell me, so how many questions you get hard? This is only one question I can see here which is hard. So here is 4 marks. So if you do all the question right, you could get 56 marks. Okay, you can do some question wrong, but still is going to be not difficult for you guys to get more than 50 marks. So if you get 50 marks in this paper, so maybe paper 2 and 3 is going to be easy, so you can get more than 50 marks. You can get 70 marks, could be 60 marks. So you are nearly close to get grade 5. But grade 4 is easy, it's not hard. I can say that a lot of students don't get grade 4 because they get panic, I'm a teacher in school, so I see a lot of students, they when get the paper, they came out, they get panic, they stress, they cry. So I always say this to students: don't be panic, just try to focus in the class. What your teacher teaching you, just focus in the class, and try to learn first 15-20 questions in a class. You don't need to work hard, so you can get grade 4 easily. Hope so you enjoy the video. In other video, I'm gonna explain how to solve the questions in different video. So if you like my video, subscribe it. Hope so you enjoy the video. Thank you very much.